Hello, dear friends. Welcome back to another episode of Flavors and Knowledge, hosted by Chef Walter. And today, I'd like to embark on a culinary journey through the Balkan Peninsula, a region that is rich in history, culture, and of course, delicious food. The Balkans, encompassing countries like Albania, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Bulgaria, Croatia, Kosovo, Montenegro, North Macedonia, Romania, Serbia, and Slovenia. They all offer a diverse and a flavorful cuisine influenced by centuries of cultural exchange. The cuisine of the Balkans is a melting pot of influences from various empires and cultures that have been ruled or interacted with the region. The Ottoman Empire, which controlled much of the Balkans for several centuries, left a significant mark on the local food. You will find traces of Turkish, Greek, and Middle Eastern flavors in many of the dishes that are offered. Additionally, the Austro-Hungarian Empire introduced Central European elements, while the Mediterranean influence is evident along the coastal area. And so let me start by talking about some of the iconic dishes that define this particular Balkan cuisine. And please forgive me if my pronunciation is not up to speed. I go with dish number one, which is called cevapi. These small grilled sausages are made from a mix of beef, lamb, and pork, and they are a staple in many of the countries that belong to the Balkans. They are often served with flatbread, onions, and ajvar, which is a roasted red pepper and an eggplant spread. Next up is a dish called sarma, consisting of cabbage leaves stuffed with a mixture of minced meat, rice, and spices. The dish is particularly popular during the winter months and is a comfort food for many in the region. Number 3 on the list is burek, a flaky pastry filled with meat, cheese, or spinach. It's a versatile dish that can be enjoyed for breakfast, lunch, and even dinner. The origins of burek can be traced back to the Ottoman period. Number 4, ajvar. This vibrant red pepper and eggplant spread is a beloved condiment in the Balkans. It's often served with grilled meats or simply spread on bread. Then we have something that is very hard to pronounce, and I'll try very hard. Pljeskavica, known as the Balkan burger. Pljeskavica is a patty made from a mix of ground meats, typically served with onions, kaymak, a creamy dairy product of the area, and of course a flatbread. Lastly, we could not miss the classic baklava, a sweet pastry made of layers of phyllo dough filled with chopped nuts and sweetened with syrup or honey. This dessert is of course related to the region's Ottoman heritage. And now let me look into some of the nutritional values of the ingredients. Balkan cuisine is known for its hearty and nutritious dishes, often featuring fresh local ingredients. And here are some of the components and of course some of the nutritional benefits. As you know, I always like to share with you. As far as the meats are concerned, the Balkans use a variety of meats including beef, lamb, pork, and chicken. These meats are rich in protein, essential for muscle repair and growth. They also provide important vitamins and minerals like iron and vitamin B. Vegetables like peppers, eggplant, tomatoes, and cabbage are staples in that part of the world. These vegetables are very high in vitamin A and C, contain fiber, antioxidant, and of course all things that will help boost the immune system. Then we have the dairy products, such as feta cheese, yogurt, and kaymak. They are very commonly used. These are excellent sources of calcium, which is vital for bone health and probiotics. Grain and legumes, like rice and wheat, as well as legumes such as beans and lentils, are frequently used in dishes like sarma and several other stews of the region. They provide, of course, complex carbs for sustained energy. Nuts and seeds, often found in desserts like baklava, are packed with healthy foods, protein, and essential nutrients like magnesium and vitamin E. The Balkans' geographical location at the crossroads of Europe and Asia has resulted in a unique blend of culinary traditions. The use of spices like paprika, garlic, and cumin reflect the Middle Eastern influences, while the preference for grilled meats and fresh vegetables showcase more Mediterranean and Central European taste. The region's diverse climate also contributes to the variety of ingredients available, from coastal seafood to the hardy mountain fare. And so, dear listeners, in conclusion, before I let you go, remember that the cuisine of the Balkan countries is a testament to the region's rich history and the culinary diversity. Each dish tells a story of the people and the lands they come from. Whether you're savoring a plate of cevapi or indulging in a slice of baklava, you experience a piece of the Balkan vibrant culinary heritage. Thank you for joining me on this flavorful journey. Until next time, happy cooking and eat well. Ciao, ciao.